Right now is Resorts World Event Center, and it is now home to Zhanibek Alimkhanuly.
Defeats, 1 draw, 8 victories coming by way of knockout. Dэнny Dignum! 7 victories coming by way of knockout. He was a 2016 Olympian. Жанибек Kazakhstan!
Fight, obey my commands at all times, above all, protect yourself at all times. Let's go.
Good to have the veteran referee Tone underway. Timmy, what do you expect early on?
Early on, it's all about positioning, getting the right distance. Who's going to take the initiative? Because you have 2 southpaws facing one another. This has a clear path to the head of the opponent. In the backhand, you have to find a way to land your power punches.
You know, and Dignum was quick to point that out. There's a straight left by Zhanibek right away. But Dignum was excited about fighting a setting southpaws.
Well, in my fight study, I can tell you this. Dignum, he has a tendency to be heavy on his front feints, and he's going to have to set it up. Oh, nice right hook right there from Zhanibek.
Zhanibek is efficient. Zhanibek is accurate.
Night.
Rolling to the ground, and let's see if we get a count. There it is. Just overwhelmed that time. Final minute of round 1. Zhanibek has already scored a knockdown. Tosses out the feint. Now triples up that jab, goes with the left uppercut. Look at the hand speed as well. Check hook from Zhanibek.
The check hook was something that he wasn't doing all too often in his previous fights.
Straight left came in moments ago. There it comes again behind. End of 1, a 10-8 round for Zhanibek Alimkhanuly.
Used to fight right-handers, that they lean to the opposite side, the wrong side. As you see right there, look at his hand placement, terrible defense, leaning back, trying to get away from shots, putting himself in no man's land. Got hit with combinations flush on the chin, and down he went.
The 5-punch combination had a little bit of everything. Combination swept to the body, had the left hand to the head that did damage. The jab and the knockdown scored. 13-5 connect advantage in that first round. 6 power punches landed by a very efficient Zhanibek. We have Kevin Lilly, the trainer of Dэнny Dignum, said you're showing him too much respect. You got to let those hands go. Oh, there's a left hand that he stood up to.
Oh, he can go ahead and let his hands go. That's all right. Broke his ankles with that feint. Oh my goodness. Oh, he broke his ankles again with that feint. My goodness. I've never seen that before, Tess.
Well, I mean, that goes into the bucket, too, of showing him too much respect. He is so caught up into the talent gap here.
He's controlling him with the stick, the range, with the feint.
Comes underneath with the left hand as well, then goes back up top with it. Class disparity, Tim, right in front of us.
Oh, yeah.
This is the WBO's #3 contender, an unbeaten guy from England.
Oh.
Another left hand comes in from Zhanibek. He's off balance again. He's getting swarmed. Headshot comes in.
Just a matter of time.
Oh, big shot comes in. And another. Oh, the uppercut floors him. And it's over. The uppercut absolutely destroys him. Slice it, dice it, put it on top. Zhanibek every which way. Manager of Vasily Lomachenko and heavyweight titleist Alexander Usyk. And now he has this middleweight. All right.
Classed from the beginning, from the start. And you see Zhanibek right here measuring with his left hand. See, when you use your left hand, you're blind. You keep your opponent occupied. And the follow-up combinations right there. And what did he do? He followed the body. He saw the opening right up the middle. The left hand right on the button right there. He saw the head drop down. Boom. Change the angle. I told you guys in the beginning, watch the straight left hand and also watch the left hand uppercut. And did you see the head bounce off the canvas in the end? That is brutal.
Your winner by knockout, and now the WBO interim middleweight champion of the world, Zhanibek, Kazakhstan, Alimkhanuly.
He closed.